Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Frederick here, and today we are going to show you the world's first biodegradable and better yet, fully home compostable child-resistant pop-top tube. Single-use pop-tops create a ton of waste, so we're really excited to offer the first fully compostable pop-top tube to help keep the cannabis companies green. The cannabis industry has always been thought of as a green industry. Leaders have been pushing for more eco-friendly farming techniques, environmentally friendly packaging, and our industry really has some of the most socially conscious consumers and businesses. Biodegradable and compostable pop-top tubes provide a unique marketing angle for your products while lending a helping hand in curbing the approximately 150 million tons of waste being produced every year. These tubes are currently only available in the 116mm size and come in two colors, black and natural cream. The 116mm tube perfectly houses a single 109mm pre-roll or two 98mm pre-rolls or smaller pre-rolls. Using new technology that utilizes a blend of plant-based carbohydrates, glycerin, and synthetic polymers, these tubes are not only completely biodegradable, but they are fully home compostable, which is even better than biodegradable. Let's dive into the differences to help clear up any confusion and misconceptions. Being biodegradable means the package is capable of being slowly destroyed and broken down into very small parts by natural processes, bacteria, etc. However, many consumers do not realize biodegradable plastics just degrade into tiny microplastics, which can then leach into soil and water. Compostable, on the other hand, means the object can be broken down into organic matter. Think kitchen waste, which is able to be broken down into compost, which means decayed organic material. If your biodegradable plastic tubes are just turning into microplastics, you may be doing more harm than good. Our tubes are not only biodegradable, but fully compostable, leaving no plastic waste behind. These natural tubes preserve the full functionality of the classic plastic pop-top child-resistant tubes that your customers expect and are required by law in most states. Using only high-quality materials and blends, this pop-top tube will ensure the safety of your pre-roll just as a traditional tube packaging item would. If you would like to ensure your branding remains consistent, we offer fully custom in-house tube labeling services to ensure your products still look incredible while also helping save our planet. Plastic labels are not as eco-friendly, but we can also produce paper-based labels which are better for the planet. This packaging option is not only better for our planet, but it's also better for your sales. Recently, Forbes published that 54% of Gen Z and 50% of millennials are willing to pay 10% more from a sustainable brand. If you would like to learn more about these tubes, check them out on our website at CustomConesUSA.com and contact a pre-roll expert to see your options. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on the latest technology and packaging options for everything pre-roll.